Alright, we're gonna try deleting the blow-off valve, and then we're gonna put a GoPro right there to see how it sounds. Get that surge. Let's see if I'll keep it on or keep it off. But I think it's gonna sound fucking pretty good. So yeah, I'm gonna try to mess with it. Got it out with some pliers, and here's the HKS blow-off valve. I'm not sure if it's real or fake, but it's been working pretty good, so I'll assume it's real. Basically what I'm gonna do is measure this flange diameter, and then I'll cut some aluminum out with my bandsaw. Shit. Let's see if I got some material. Whatever I got laying around here. R34 GTR nurse spec exhaust, no big deal. I got some steel. Alright, you can only find steel, but that's fine. A little thin. Should work. I'm just gonna outline this and then cut it on the bandsaw or an angle grinder. Yeah. Pretty straightforward. Outline and cut and deburr. And I should be able to stop it on. I'm gonna cut it with this trusty bandsaw with a Harbor Freight bandsaw, horizontal bandsaw mount thingy. Slap a forge on there. And then take this out here. What you want, Daisy? What you want? Oh, tiny. Actually, we're gonna turn this into a horizontal. Damn, it's raining right now. Boom. Just like that. Want the slowest speed. I'll just clean up the edges and done. Alright, so we got it on. C-clip is on. Blow-off valve's blocked off. I just gotta plug the line. And that should be it. I'll go for a test drive. Alright, I'm gonna go for the drive. I got the GoPro set up right here. And right at the turbo. And the delete right here. All that clearance now. Before it was had the battery all the way to the right. Now it's cleared, blocked off, and ghetto plugged. So it works.